In the last video, I showed you how I built and deployed this neon multiplayer chess game in just one afternoon using Google Antigravity. The response was crazy. A lot of you were impressed by how fast we went from a blank screen to a working application. But as developers, we know the truth. Building the first version is actually the easy part. The real headache starts after the launch. You have to fix bugs, you have to manage servers, you have to set up test pipelines. So I wanted to see if this Google Antigravity can handle these parts of software engineering too. And the answer is yes. So I fixed one major bug in my chess game that I created using Google Antigravity. So when you pick up a piece and you don't want to move this piece, you want to cancel it and pick another piece, you are not able to cancel it and pick another. Also, for future development, I set up a test environment workflow. So whenever you raise a pull request in the repository, the app will be deployed to a separate URL in Firebase hosting for testing. So let me show you how I did it. Welcome back guys, my name is Bilal Khan and you are watching Simplified Coding. Now let's see the future of app development using Google's Antigravity. So here you can see this is the repository and this is our game. Let's go to live demo. Let's create a room. Now let's say I want to move this piece. But now I realized I don't want to move this one, but I want to move this one. So we have a message here that says press escape or click another piece to cancel. But I don't have any way to cancel it or click on another piece. You can see the piece is stuck with my pointer. And if I press escape, nothing is happening. So I cannot select another piece once I pick the piece. So this was a bug. So I fixed this in this pull request. So if you go to pull request here in the repository, then you can see I have raised a pull request. So whenever I will raise a pull request, what will happen is, I will close this tab. So the changes will be deployed in a separate URL as you can see here. And I have created a workflow for this. So you can see all checks have passed and the changes are deployed in this URL. So if I click this URL, I am inside the game and it is a test environment. Now here also I can create a room. And now I can click the piece, and if I don't want to move this piece, I can drag it to its original position like this. And I can pick another piece like this. So the bug is solved. And again, I have not written even a single line of code to do all these things. So what I did was I told the agent to do this thing, and agent did everything in Google's Antigravity. So the tool is amazing and I think we might be shifting towards the next generation of application development where we will tell AI agents to do things. But still it is very early to tell because whenever I start to work on this project, very soon I reach the limits of my AI models. But still it's okay because I am doing all the things very quickly. So I think it is a small price to pay, and in future when they will release the paid version, we will have more limits. So we may create wonders with this AI tool. So you can see in my agent manager, what I did was just prompt the agent to do this thing and that thing. And we have the result here in this repository. Now there is one more bug I will show you. Let's open the test environment and let's create a room. So when we create a room, and let's say we are playing, I will not join as a second player, but let's say two players are playing and somehow I refreshed the page. What happens is it goes back to the choose your game screen, and there is no way to come back to the same room because it will say that the room has the capacity reached. So this is another bug that we need to fix. If you want to fix it or if you want to contribute, you can raise a pull request yourself. You can use Google's Antigravity to fix it. So let's try and raise a PR if you want to help me. So that is all for this video, friends. I hope you found this video helpful and learned something. In case you have any question or confusion, you can leave your comments below. Thanks for watching. This is Bilal Khan now signing off.